How to make water slime. Making water slime is a fun and simple activity that you can enjoy with your friends and family. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you make your own water slime. Materials: clear school glue, water beads, food coloring, optional, bowl, spoon or spatula, contact lens solution, baking soda. Steps: pour the clear school glue into a bowl and add a few drops of food coloring, if desired. Add the water beads to the glue and mix well. In a separate bowl, mix half teaspoon of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of contact lens solution. Slowly add the baking soda solution to the glue and water bead mixture, stirring continuously. Continue to stir until the mixture starts to thicken and come together. Once the mixture has thickened, remove it from the bowl and knead it with your hands until it becomes a smooth and stretchy slime. Store your water slime in an airtight container when not in use. Enjoy playing with your new water slime. Just remember to always clean your hands after playing and store the slime properly to keep it fresh. Thanks for watching.